Welcome to another video episode on my Arduino Mega2560, which is currently controlled by use of the mathematical programming language Octave, which controls, as you can see, with electronics, fischertechnik switch by means of pulse modulation. Pulse modulation is sent from this wire right here, switch intermediate, and a circuit to cause a voltage backlash if this switch is being released. Voltage is not something digital. You can put a threshold that is used by the Arduino to above a voltage level that it becomes 1. That does happen, but it is much nicer to have the actual voltage read, and that is happening here to this wire, via this wire to a 0 analog input 0, and that reads indeed a voltage, but not a consistent one. So the question is now, what happens and why does it happen? So from the Octave environment, let me just run the program, and then we can see whatever the results are. Whenever one loop is completed, this LED will burn. This won't burn for some reason, for a while, because the two moments of pulse modulation that are being caught, one when the pulse width is being lengthened, and one when it's being shortened, and after a short the pulse width is 0, and then 0 is being read. And my idea was that it somehow would read 1, which was a misidea. So I should probably have the algorithm adapted at that point, but not so far. Let's run. And now I see on the oscilloscope that things run, which is very nice. And then the pulse gets shorter, and you will see later on that indeed does happen. Right, get 0. And now I see that here an LED is burning, and that surprises me. I do need to find out how that happens. So yeah, let's see on screen what is going on. And after recording the last segment, I forgot to quit to stop the execution, so there's quite a bit of, I think, stuff going on. Let's see. Initialization of the vector, then it becomes 1, which is correct because I did press the switch, and lo and behold, it's okay. And that is indeed exactly why. What happens? The LED is going. Looking here, if V1 is 1, then D22 should go, which is exactly Let me show. That is exactly this wire going indeed to this LED. But right now it's still burning. So what am I doing wrong here? Let's see. It displays, but here I do it again. Oh, now I see what I have forgotten and why this one keeps burning. Oh, that's a nice one. Pause 1 second, then go off. Yes. So let me check. Here I do pause 1, but I don't write it. I don't put it low again, so I need to do that. Now it will go off again. Yes, that is good. But going back to the code, so it is 1, so it again happens, and I'm not really surprised about it because it happened before. Then this one is set off. Oh, and here I have a voltage on the analog port of 831. Then here V2 is not okay anymore, and the voltage of 729. Go forward. Everything 0. This one is not okay suddenly. Oh, probably because I let the switch go. Yeah, so D22 won't run as clearly shown here. Voltage, yeah, 306. Probably again because of the switch. Then 545, 392, and 696. Oh, wait, that is strange because let me go back. I do not press the switch and I get 696 and I go forward again and 262 while not pressing the switch. So what is the backlash then? 724 and 592 and 266. So then I am really surprised. Why is that not constant? What is going on there? Is that because of the inductor, or does something else is going on? Sorry for the bad lighting. So right, that's the end. So something is not quite alright. But how come? That is very strange. Alright, let's run again. Another thing I just realized is that this LED is still burning. And if you don't see the cursor, I am talking about this LED. It is still burning. Which should not be the case, of course. Certainly not at the start of this program. So at initialization I should put it off. So this one will go here, and the other one goes off anyway. Alright, let's run again. F5, save and run. And then I dual hold switch, and I see how it all runs. I can put it like this, but all the active stuff is on the board anyway. Why do I not see a red? Alright, let's wait again for the next cycle. It is decreasing. Okay, LED burning. And I'm still holding the switch, and I'm not seeing the green LED turn green or burn anyway. This is again the new run. So pay attention to the red LED. Yes, there it goes. Alright. The green LED doesn't show up. So let's cancel and see whatever is has done. Alright. Now this is a strange effect, by the way. As if now the voltage is higher than like this. And I'm talking about this line, of course. So this difference in height is different than when I have the switch pressed. Remarkable. Anyway, this one is okay, this one is not okay. 810. Forward 729. And all of this one will be not okay because the green LED has never shown. Okay. Other thing, time to focus a bit on on two things. Why is that voltage variable? Not staying the same value. Another thing is, of course, why is the value after the decrease sometimes 1? Not understandable. How can I measure that last voltage that is coming back from the circuit? Oh, that is, oh wait, yeah, I should be careful with this wire, because when I touch the resistor it goes on, and that's not the idea. That's undesirable. I want to measure, although yeah, I am already measuring the voltage that is coming back. and that is measured by the purple line. I know it doesn't show purple on the camera, but it is purple, just like this color is purple. So pressing this shows something, and the big question is, why is it this? This is 5 volts. So how far goes it down? Does it go down? So let's run it again and watch that line. It stays 5 volts. Right, what I should do, because this doesn't change anything, and yet when I quit it now, it says 409 and it says 408 and oh, that's it apparently. Yeah, just one run. So 409 is nothing like 5 volts or 5 or even 400 millivolts. So I maybe have to change this wire connection. I think that would be a good idea. Alright, so my suspicion is that there is something not quite right with this wire. Although it shows perfectly 5 volts. Let me release it. It's gone now. But if I look at the coder, or actually not the coder, I should look at the schematics. So this is that particular circuit with inductor and diode, and then I should measure here, which I am, and it reads from here which is acting on this side. This LED starts to burn, so it gets its feed from here. So should I then be measuring here, or should I be measuring here? Right now, if I get the voltage that I get from on here, the 3-digit voltage is coming from where actually? So what I actually should do is use keep this in place, or am I? Let me check the wiring. Yes, this is 6, and this wire, which is indeed adjacent to it, is between the transistor and the LED. So yes, to compare, I should put 2 more ports to it. So that would be, let me just put it here, I don't mind, I don't care. and another one. No, this one. So this will be A1. This then will be, let's use 7. And save. And this wire will be from, well, doesn't really matter, but let's use this one. That is 1, and well, I can just do it like this. Doesn't matter, they are connected anyway, just like this. Just a little bit different. So that's new wiring to see what the difference is between those two. A1 and 7. A1 is here and 7 will be right there somewhere. And this is for the oscilloscope, this one, but it will be in the same location because whether I measure here or here, that doesn't matter. It's on that side of the LED and it's on that side for the circuit. So now for some wiring. So the new wires will go, and these are the new wires, will go from this side and they will go to well, the board port 7. So that is right here, and A0, no, A1, which is right here. It's now a mixture of wires, but so be it. And what I have to do now is program it, because I still have to read stuff. So, and it's not that hard. I will read V5 is read digital D7. So it's quite easy to do it like this. And then here is D7, V5, and then V6 is read analog from A0. And what is V6 then? So I'm quite curious what that will give. And to make things clear, I can of course state that this is D6 next is this A1 A0 will be that, and this play D7 and this A1. Oops. And now let's see whatever happens. Who knows? And yeah, I will have to hold the switch again. And it is still curious that via this blue wire it says 5 volts. So what will A1 give? What will D7 give? I'm very curious about this. It should be different, by the way, because of the LED, but who knows? And another decrease. Red LED coming up, yep, and there we go again. So, alright, I have to select this and no, and this one. Ctrl C. Alright. So, once again, an initialization A1. This is of course not okay then. D6 1 A0 1 802 forward, and now I'm very curious. Look at that. A1 is 1023 voltage. And look at that. 802 1023. V6 is 1023 and this is 849. And next one is, oh, look at this. No longer 1023 but 940. So those are very different values. Very different after all. Both are 1. But what's this threshold? That's a good question. And something for next time. Enough to think about. So when rewiring delivers some nice input, but also questions. What to do and how to do it. Also a voltage that isn't what it looks like. Whatever. For now, thanks for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment or suggestion. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. Please donate to keep the blog going with videos. And website, of course. Lots of pictures. You can also decide to become a patron and have your name mentioned on my website, and depending on your pledge, also with videos. This is obviously going to be continued. So have a nice day. See you later. Bye bye.